Hey everyone, this is Sonia the RV DJ, and today we're going to be installing some corner rock guards on our 2025 Jeep Gladiator. This will prevent rocks from chipping your paint. There's a few points on the Gladiators and the Wranglers where rock chipping is a big issue. I'll go over those at the end of the video, but this is going to go just like that on the corner, one on each side. So what you want to do is you want to prep your area. Don't use alcohol because that will take the paint off. We've used Windex, of course, like we're at the campground, so things have already flown on it. But use Windex to clean off your area real good, so it doesn't get stuck to any debris, dust, pollen, anything like that. And then on the back of these, there's 3M tape, and you just take the paper off and stick them on to your corners. They do give you an extra tiny roll of 3M tape to put in the middle, since it was only around the corners there, around the edges. So I'll peel the tape off, and we'll get the sticking. Okay, so something to note. The provided 3M tape that they give you on the roll is crap. I went to take the paper off and it started to roll up here, but I managed to get it stuck back down again to an extent. But the other piece on the other guard rolled up and got bunched up, so I'm not going to be able to use that on the other side. So yeah, you can see it right there. So I may just cut that little hangy piece off, but the rest of the tape is okay. And lining it up, let me cut that other piece off and I'll be right back. Alright, so I got that bad piece cut off. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip you around. Next part, we'll take 2 hands. Hopefully the phone will stay in place. That should work. So you need 2 hands to line up those 2 holes at the bottom, to line up against the bolts that are here. So you gotta kind of make sure you get it all lined up perfectly on the first shot, or at least don't lay it down all the way until you're all lined up where you need to be and all your corners are in the right place. Both holes line up, and this is what it looks like. And this will protect from any rock chips hitting your paint. Actually, it looks pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. And it's all in carbon fiber, like the rest of the things. Now, as I was explaining earlier, on these Jeeps, the Wranglers and the Gladiators, there's an issue with people complaining about rock chips, especially on their hinges. I do have something for that I'll be putting on in another video. But up here in the corners and your hood latches and your windshield bumpers, so that's why they make all these covers, so that doesn't happen. So that's what one side looks like. Let's get the other side on, and then we'll get a front view. Alright, so here is the driver's side. The corner guard is on, and this is what it looks like from the front. It's coming along, all done in a carbon fiber look. Not real carbon fiber, because that would just be expensive. A couple more mods coming up that we're going to be doing. We have some rock stopper hinge PPF for the door hinges over here, and some more things to do. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.